Good Monday morning, everyone, here with your 11 a.m. Tropics update. First, we will start with Tropical Storm Gamma. This is continuing to weaken. The pressure is starting to rise, which indicates a slight weakening. Has winds of 45 miles per hour, so that is down just a touch from the 8 a.m. advisory. Again, our big focus is going to be on Tropical Storm Delta as it gets closer to the Gulf Coast. A very healthy looking system. It has winds of 45 miles per hour. The pressure is dropping, so that indicates strengthening, and it is going to continue to do so as it makes its way through the Caribbean Sea and then eventually into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll get through Gamma first. Again, not going to be a threat to us. It is going to continue off towards the south-southwest, make a loop, and head back towards the Gulf. For us, all eyes are going to be on Tropical Storm Delta. It is forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane by tomorrow morning, and then a Category 2 hurricane as it approaches the Gulf Coast. Still a lot of uncertainty about where it is going to make a landfall along the Gulf Coast. Still could be anywhere from the panhandle of Florida all the way to the Texas and Louisiana coast. The global models that we look at, the Euro and GFS, are still hinting where the National Hurricane Center's track is, right in the center here. Either way, a very strong hurricane as it makes its way closer to the Gulf Coast with sustained winds of 105 miles per hour. However, as of right now, it's not looking like it will strengthen more than this. Gamma actually helped cool the water down a little bit in the Gulf of Mexico, so that is good news with that, but it is still expected to be a Category 2 storm. As it makes its way inland, it will fall apart, becoming a tropical storm by sometime Saturday morning. Now, some of our easternmost counties, or westernmost counties, excuse me, is in this cone of uncertainty. Right now, tropical storm force conditions are not looking likely for us here in central Georgia, and we'll take you through timing and what we can potentially expect. Of course, we are still several days out. There's still a lot of fine-tuning to do there. So here is Thursday afternoon. The Euro and GFS is what you're looking at. GFS is in green, Euro is in blue, potentially making a landfall as we head into Friday morning along the Louisiana coastline. At least that's what these two models are hinting at. There's obviously some uncertainty. Now, as we head into Friday evening, moving inland through parts of potentially Mississippi and then continuing off towards the north and eventually making that turn to the east as it passes by us. Either way, by Thursday, we'll start to see some rain from this system, and then rain will be likely on and off Friday all the way through Saturday afternoon. Saturday afternoon, as the center, which is about here on both the models, passes by to our north, we could maybe have a strong storm or two. That brief spin-up tornado you can't ever completely rule out when you are on the eastern side of these systems. So that's not a very high-end threat. It's just not a threat that we can't put our guard down with. As we head into the next several days, for us here at home, the Euro and GFS are still hinting we maybe could see upwards of a ½ inch to 6/10 of an inch of rain. The forecast totals from NOAA are saying anywhere between 2 to 5 inches of rain. So there's still a lot of fine tuning to do when it comes to how much rainfall we would see. Obviously, this could cause a flooding threat for us. So a localized flooding threat will need to be monitored. Wind also will be something we'll need to be paying very close attention to. It is going to be very breezy starting Friday afternoon through the weekend. Our main time frame will be Saturday morning through early Saturday evening as that center of circulation passes off to our north. We could see wind gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour. That'll be possible. The general consensus, though, will be 25 to 35 with isolated gusts as high as 40. Of course, we will continue to keep you updated on the latest on the tropics on 13WMAZ.com and on our app.